Hi friends, welcome to my Dilshi Academy. Today we are going to learn some verbs. Let's see what are those. Walk, walk. Run, run. Ride, ride. Laugh, laugh. Sing, sing. Dance, dance. Watch TV, watch TV. Talk, talk. Eat, eat. Open, open. Close, close. Think, think. Cry, cry. Listen, listen. Play, play. Give, give. Cook, cook. Read, read. Write, write. Climb, climb. Fight, fight. Turn on, turn on. Turn off, turn off. Wash, wash. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.